Change payment account Google Play Store. If any day you would like to change the payment option and the payment account on your Google Play Store but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to go to the settings on your mobile device. After you tap on the option of settings on your mobile device, you can see an interface like this. Now, after you see an interface like this, you have to go to the search option. After you go to the search option, in the search option, you have to search account and sync. Now, after you tap on account and sync, you can see an interface like this. However, the interface may vary as per the brand of the mobile that you are using. So when you are searching account and sync, when you do not find the option of the account and sync, there is no problem because the various kind of mobile brands that you are using may just vary due to all of these options. If you do not find the option of the account sync, it's okay. But if you find the option of account sync, you have to tap on that. But if you do not find it, you have to go to the option of the Play Store. After you tap on the option of the Play Store, you can see that Play Store will be launched on your very mobile device. After Play Store is launched on your mobile device, you have to tap on your profile icon on the top portion and then go to the option of the payment and subscriptions and then tap on the option of the payment methods. After you tap on the payment methods, you have to tap on more payment settings and tap on that. After you tap on the option of the more payment settings, now it will take you to a next interface like this. Now after it takes to a next interface like this, what you have to do is you have to just tap on your profile and you have to just change it to the profile of the next, any of the next profile, and this way you can change the very payment account on the Play Store. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.